Hey everybody, this is Salar, and you guys are welcome to Smart Code and this brand new exciting course on C Sharp. This is the first video of the course, and in this video, I will give you course introduction and you will get to know some very important features of this course. So don't miss this video and watch this to the end. Now, the first feature of this course is beginner friendly. You don't need to have any prior knowledge of programming before taking this course. So, this course is totally for beginners. The next important feature of this course is lectures. This course is entirely divided into several lectures, and each and every lecture of this course is important. You are not allowed to miss any lecture. All the lectures are numbered and you are advised to watch them in the same order you have them on the YouTube. Another interesting feature of this course is problem solving and exercises. Throughout this course, we will be learning different C Sharp tools, and at the same time, we will try to apply different tools to solve problems. I think this is the most important feature of this course. You will not only learn different tools or the syntax of the tools, you will also learn to code them and apply them. You need to remember one thing: programming is a practical subject, and to learn a practical subject, you must do practicals. You must experiment with the subject. Without doing, we can't learn practical subjects. So, in our course, we will be doing practicals, we will experiment with the code we learn, and you are advised to do the same. Write the code, create some variations so that you get better understanding. Now, the last thing is do not forget to like, comment, and subscribe. I am your teacher in this course, and my name is Salar Askazala. To create such courses requires time and effort. And if you want to show me your appreciations, you can simply like, comment, and subscribe my channel. Now I will see you in the first lecture of this course, and I hope you will learn a lot about programming and your journey would be wonderful. Thanks for watching. I will see you in the next lecture.